Hey everyone, this is Keanu with Pampered Chef, and today we're going to make our own homemade butter in our deluxe cooking blender. Now, who would not want to have this in your refrigerator? This is vegan, it's a coconut based, and you see it's very creamy like this, and I'm going to show you how creamy it is. I made this the other day. You can cook with this, it's very tasty, and look at this butter. Right? Does that look great? Now, who would want to learn how to make this? So quick and easy. All right, let's go over the ingredients first. I'm using soy milk, okay? I just need soy milk. I'm going to use 1/4 a cup of soy milk with 1 tablespoon. I tried to eliminate and it wasn't working. So you need to put 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon into a container, and with your 1/4, 1/2 teaspoon of vinegar. Now, I use the apple cider vinegar. This reason it has flavor. I'm sure you could use regular vinegar. This is all I've used, okay? So you're going to put it in here about 10-15 minutes before you get started, because what it's going to do is going to thicken the milk. I don't know if you can see that. It will kind of curdle the milk, and that's what we're going to put into the blender. Then we need to have coconut oil. So coconut oil comes, this one I got at Sam's, and it's called organic virgin coconut oil. Now this coconut oil has flavor and it smells like coconut. So if you don't want the coconut flavor, you need to buy refined. This is considered an unrefined oil. So refined, no flavor, no smell, but it is coconut oil. And then unrefined, it will taste like coconuts. Okay, now it has to be liquidy. I live in Vegas, so do you see how mine is liquidy? But during the winter, this will harden and solidify like lard or Crisco. I would have to then put it into the microwave and get it to this consistency before you make your butter, okay? Now the other thing is, this would add, we're going to add 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. I try to eliminate the tablespoon. You need to put 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. I put extra virgin olive oil. I have made it with just a regular cooking oil because I didn't have olive oil, and it worked out fine. Then you're going to need salt. This is Morton salt. You can put whatever kind of salt you like, or don't put salt in it. It's normally you'd put about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in it. And then you're going to need xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is what binds it together and gives it that creamy and holds the butter together. Like how when we make jelly, we have pectin, and pectin is what you have to have it to get solid. Okay, so xanthan gum, you can find it in your grocery store. I seen it at Bob's Mill section in the baking area. He has all those little bags. I've seen it there before. Also, all the health food stores have it, but this has become kind of popular now, so you might be able to find it, and you only need a little bit. So I've had this for a while, so you only need a little. The other thing that I did see, I was looking it up to find an alternative to xanthan gum. I saw that people were using agar agar. I never used agar agar. It comes like the same consistency, that powdery, or agar agar comes like this in sticks. I got this at the Asian market. It was in a Filipino grocery store in the Philippines. This is how they make their jello. They would melt this in hot water, and then they would add this to whatever they're making into some kind of jello. So I'm going to try to do that one time, and if you see it and you can't find xanthan gum, then try it. What do you got to lose? Like I said, if you make it and it doesn't really turn out, you can keep it in your fridge and use it to cook, and then try it again. It doesn't take very much ingredients. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our milk in. Okay, that is 1/4 plus 1 tablespoon of, I put soy. Then I have 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1/4 cup and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And this is our Pampered Chef measuring cups. I really love this when I do, because it does this. So like if I wanted to put peanut butter, I measure it this way, then you can just push it and it comes right out. So I love these measuring cups. You can use them any direction. All right, and then we're going to put the 1/4 teaspoon. I'm putting 1/4. You put, if you don't want, you put more or less. but just put only 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. That's not more or less. Just put that. Certain things you gotta follow the directions. Then we're gonna put the lid on. Listen to the beep. Now it is connected. We're gonna spin our wheel. You just spin this wheel, and it says smoothie right there. I got smoothie. Press the middle button, and we're gonna do smoothie. That's not cooking. That's why you smoothie, because we don't want to get heated up. We're not cooking the butter. We're just blending the butter. I've done this 2 times. And I ran it twice on smoothie. It wasn't necessary. Just run it 1 time on smoothie, and it turned out perfect. I did it twice. Here we got 5 seconds left. You hear the beep? It says it's done. That's it. This is all you got to do. Okay, and then I want you to see. Do you see how it is? Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put it in this bowl like how I did the other one, and see how when I pour it, it looks, it's creamy, okay? Now I'm just gonna put it in the fridge, and then I'm going to, and then in a few hours, if you put it in the freezer, like 15 minutes, it'll get hard, and throw it in the fridge and it'll be firm already. Now look, I have these for my candy molds. Look, these little roses. What about if you have a party and you want to make little rosettes? I'm gonna go do that. So just pour your butter into this mold, and you can make some fancy little butter things for your party. All right, so this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you might get creative and make your own butter. And aloha.